Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi soup with beef. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh produce and quality beef. Next, prepare your vegetables and meat by chopping and slicing them appropriately. Then, combine everything in a pot and let it simmer to develop rich flavors. Finally, serve your delicious homemade soup hot and enjoy. To start, choose about 1 pound of beef, like sirloin or brisket, for the best texture. Aged kimchi is crucial for that authentic, deep flavor. You'll also need to chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and about 1 cup of kimchi. Don't forget other additions like firm tofu, your favorite mushrooms, and fresh green onions. Begin by sautéing your beef and kimchi in a large pot until they are wonderfully fragrant. Next, pour in about 4 cups of broth, then stir in 2 tablespoons of gochujang and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Finally, add your tofu, mushrooms, and green onions for the last 5 minutes. Before serving, always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings to your preference. Garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of fresh green onions and a small drizzle of sesame oil for an aromatic finish. This hearty kimchi soup is best enjoyed hot, alongside a comforting bowl of steamed white rice. For an extra touch, you can even crack an egg into the simmering soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.